Very good morning to all of you. Once again, I, Prayag, welcome you to Stock Katha series. It is time for another investment update. A stable company with a beautiful chart structure. I am going to invest in this stock for 8 to 10% profit. We'll analyze the chart and the aspect of the chart trading in this video. So please bear with me. I am trying to analyze the charts with the little knowledge and experience that I have. Before going into analysis mode, let me disclose that I have few positions in this stock. But swear, I'm going to add another 20% of my overall trading capital into this stock. With this, you also need to know that I'm not a SEBI registered analyst and it is not an investment advice. So please do your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before investing. As you all know, capital markets are subjected to market risk. One may end up losing all of one's trading capital for a simple mistake, for a silly mistake, even for no mistake of one's. For any type of loss, I and my channel will not be liable. Please take a screenshot of this and read it before watching the video. Please pause and take a screenshot and read. After that, we'll move on to the charts and for other fundamental analysis of today's stock. Okay, let's go. As you know, as per my rule, I target 10 to 15% of the investment amount with 5% of the stop loss. Most of my investments last for 7 days to 35 days. If the stock doesn't move in my expected direction, I book whatever profit or loss after 35 days. You can ask, now you will ask that what is the rationale behind this time stop loss? Rationale behind such time stop is time value of money. This is a concept where it is said that over a period of time money grows. Take it simply. 1 month with no capital appreciation means at least it's a loss. How? At least 1% opportunity cost is lost. If I will keep the amount in fixed deposit in bank, which is very safe compared to the stock investing, I'll be getting 1% interest monthly on monthly basis. Next, as a risk management measure, I will invest only 20% of my trading capital spreading over 1 week. Now, what's that mean? That means if I found a stock investable on Monday and I have decided to put 10 lakhs into it, then I will divide it, the total capital means the expected investment into 5 parts, and every day on dip I will buy the stocks amounting 2 lakhs. Okay. Okay, as you all know, uh, the last video I have said the analysis of Dixon India, Dixon Technologies on 27th of September with a target of 10% within 1 month. That means 35 days. But for the grace of God, we have achieved this 10% target before 1 week, within 3 days. With this, to identify such opportunities yourself so that you don't depend on any other person for your investment journey, please do consider subscribing my channel. Okay, let's go and analyze, synthesize today's talk. I will explain my rationale behind the investment. Let's go. Target achieved. Could you please read the list of the financial institutions? How many of these institutions have you heard before? Please comment. Please comment if you heard all about all of these or some of these. Tick tick tick, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6. Time's up. For those who don't know, let me tell you that these are top investment, insurance, and banking companies. BlackRock is the largest asset management company in the world. Vanguard is second with 9 trillion and 7 trillions respectively. Now, HDFC AMC, SBI MF mutual fund, as you all know, are largest mutual funds in India. LIC needs no introduction. You all know LIC. They are huge capital. These companies, these investors are showing confidence in this company we are going to discuss about. Let's go. Company name is Sun Pharma. Before going to the momentum trading, there is no such thing is called the momentum investing. This is called momentum trading. For that, we need to uh, go through fundamentals quickly so that the company we are investing in uh, could be, we can be confident that our money is not going to the dusts next day itself. Sun Pharma has brands like Revital and Volini under its belt. However, before going to charts, let's quickly go through the fundamentals of the company. To check liquidity, I checked P ratio, interest coverage ratio, and current ratios. See, the interest coverage ratio is 66%, very well, very good. Debt equity ratio 0.08. You know, they have very low debts. Current ratio is acceptable. That means this company is not going to default. Even they have the cash equivalents here. They have the cash equivalents of 6,446 crore. against a debt of 3,869 crores. That means there is no possibility of default. Then let's check how the company is performing. सेल्स ठीक ठाक हो रहा है कि नहीं? सेल्स ठीक ठाक नहीं होगा तो कंपनी चलेगी कैसे? प्रॉफिट बना रही है कि नहीं? इज दिस मेकिंग प्रॉफिट? द सोल ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द कंपनी is to make profit and to earn revenue for its shareholders. Whether it's earning revenue properly, listen, see, ROC 13.9%, return on equity ROE 6.33% is, you know, is not impressive. Even inventory turnover ratio, you can see the 1.10. That means it's clearing its inventory once a year. The company, I have already made videos on the Dixon India. The inventory turnover ratio, if I could remember, had 9, 5. That means its inventory gets cleared. That means sold out. Its product produced by the raw materials it procure takes very less months in a year. That means uh, it has the 5 productions and sales cycle. That means it's a growing company. This Sun Pharma, they are not. I think the inventory turnover ratio 1.10 is not a characteristic of a very good growing company. It will be very clear when you see its other balance sheet and profit loss items. It will get cleared. Let's check that. Valuations, as you know, stock P is 34.2%, while industry P is 33%. Acceptable. Book value 194, and the stock is trading at 4 times of the book value. Fundamentally, right now I cannot add this stock into my portfolio. For long term, I'm not going to add right now. If the price corrects for any reason, which I don't see for next 3 to 4 months, but for any reason it comes down for 30 to 35%, I will consider adding some of the stocks of Sun Pharma into my long-term portfolio. Okay. However, the profits are increasing, but the profit margin is on a decreasing trajectory. There is margin pressure. Margin pressure might come due to competition, due to inefficient production practices. Um, could be reasons, could be many, but I don't care about the reasons. I see the numbers. The some numbers and not so impressive. Even see, it's continuously decreasing. From 2013, its PAT was 30%, and when it comes to 2021, it's 3.72%. eh? And it's not a one-time event. It's continuously decreasing. While working capital days, it is very random here. Book value is slowly increasing. Asset turnover ratio, however, acceptable, but what there is no margin. Um, a single blow, A single blow will destroy the company totally. It will have to pay uh, from its cash reserves. That's why fundamentally I don't think this is the right time to buy uh, long term. We are here, even EBITDA margin is also decreasing. Well, we are here for 10 to 15%. Who cares about such operational efficiencies? However, as we know that where there is a pressure on inventory turnover and that EBITDA, you can see net sales. See, you don't have to check for the sales. If you can find, can calculate the inventory turnover ratio, you can easily predict what is the condition of sales. Here you can see at in 2013 the sales was 40.90% sales growth. Gradually it increased up to 2015, and after that, that was just a fall, the fall that could not regain its past glories. EBITDA growth is not not impressive. Total the ratios are not impressive. Financials, I don't think. The only one thing, the profit, except profit, there is nothing which can impress me. So I'm not very bullish on Sonfirm and long term. See, in the valuation ratios, as I already said, the market cap to sales ratio. Market cap to sales ratio, that means whether the sales it's generating, the company, the company, the amount of sales the company is making, whether it justifies its market cap. If market cap to sales ratio tends to 1, then it's a good company. It's a good time to invest in that company. It could not be called as a good company. Shareholding pattern, you can see the promoters holds 54.48%, and the public, including FII and DIIs, hold 45.52%. You can easily see that FIIs are slowly reducing their stakes, and DIIs means LIC and NPS fund, and the mutual funds are included in DIs. They are just slowly increasing their stakes. This is quite possible because every month the huge amount of corpus through NPS is going to the equity market. See, these are the stable stocks. That's why um, it's being bought by the fund DIIs, the fund managers. What else they could do? But FIs are slowly reducing their stakes. Hmm. Clearly, clearly this trend is visible. See this one from 12.70 to 11.55. Not acceptable. However, before jumping into the chart of Sun Pharma, let's check what is happening in the overall pharma sector. This is the chart of the Nifty Pharma. The Nifty Pharma is slowly rising upward after a healthy correction. I think the last high was 14.743.30 from that level it fell to approximately 13,600, and from there it's slowly going up, and even you can see it's making a reverse L. Reverse L is also called you know that what they call that they call it the pole and flag pattern, bullish pole and flag pattern. And today, in fact, yesterday in the last trading session, the Nifty Pharma has given a bullish breakout from the uh, pole and flag pattern, and I hope it is expected actually. It is expected that when stock price breaks out from pole and flag pattern, is going to remain bullish for some times to come. So, without wasting time, let's go to the chart of Sun Pharma. All successful traders access short-term trade in four parameters. That is volume, volatility, time, and momentum. Let's have this chart. This is a beautiful chart actually. Fundamentally, I will not buy, but technically, you can see the Sun Pharma, the price of Sun Pharma stock has just broke out of the box, shattering 800 level resistance, which was maintained from August, even with heavy volume. If you analyze the volume here, this breakout is supported by a large volume. That means this breakout is reliable. It is not going to fail. The breakouts without volume has a propensity to fail, but this breakout has volume, so it is reliable. Okay, let's go. Even you could if you analyze the volumes recently, the trading volume as well as delivery volume has increased. See, on 27th onwards, the volume is in rising trends. On 29 September, the delivery volume was approximately 40%. Even that day, the volume was highest in the month of September. Okay, I think actually I believe the any breakout supported by volume. This is a rule. Volume is reliable and is going to uh, go up. Let's check into the charts. But here you can see the point of control is far below the current price. So clearly there are bulls who are in absolute control. Stock price is expected to rise, but there could be another possibility that correction will start with subsequent V-shaped recovery due to periodic profit booking. Why? Those bulls who are buying, they are buying for profits, and if they are buying for profits, at some time they have to take out some profits. So the correction will be sharp. But As there are bulls, they are buying continuously. The price of Sun Pharma is expected to go up. Now, uh, how could we manage such situation? We stop loss. Simple. There should be strict stop loss. Ride the trend, and whenever it's reverses, just gives some loss and get out of the trade. Now let's find possible support. Immediately the support, as you could see, is at 800 level. Here is at 800 level. Here the breakout level, and then below that the possible support is the lower end of the consolidation range, which comes about 754.83. Even if can see the stock is rising in an upward channel, that's why the lower base could provide a reliable support. See, this is the lower end. Whenever it goes to the upper end of the channel, it get rejected and comes down. See, 1 2 3 4 5. To understand this mode, let's plot the price data into the regression model. Let me tell you, regression line is a line which best represents the set of data. If you can see, the price is moving upward without any deviation, but upward momentum being strong with volume, there is a higher possibility of price breaching the 1 sigma line. That is called 1 sigma deviation. Now the question is, how will we ascertain momentum is strong? For that, we have some momentum indicators. Before that, just see the weekly chart of the Sun Pharma. Here, it's just breaking out of the one of the long term resistance. Here you can see, and after breaking out of this long term resistance, the only resistance it is going to find is at 898.04. We'll just analyze this resistance level while we try to find target. For now, just see the resistance. Now, this data was up to 30th September 2021. I was just keeping this stock into the visual just to check whether it's clearly breaking out or not, or it's a false breakout. No, today it just confirmed that it is not a false breakout, as it um, just remained above the breakout level. Now the price position is 825 rupees, and it's above the breakout level. Now you can see the MACD crossover is bullish. The RSI is at 71.3 level. Price rate of control, sorry, rate of change, price rate ROC, rate of change is positive. It's 5.73. That means there is definitely a momentum. There is definitely a bullish momentum, and A bullish momentum with volume can easily go to skyrocket. Okay, even the data, uh, the data, the data of the price section shows that um, that the price is moving as we expected. Uh, See, um, though the price gapped down today, but it took support at 805 and started its upward journey even when the broader market index was in red. But astonishingly, RSI reduced to 71 while the price closed at 825 above the previous day close, which was 818. Even if you see Fibonacci projections, it's for the targets. See, just see, when we put the Fibonacci labels into the price chart, it shows that the next Fibonacci resistance will be at 261.8% level, which comes at 949.6 at the chart. Yeah. See, another thing. Hmm. See, see this 81803 label is so strong. When you go to the history of the chart, it's here. See, it's continuously taking support. When it broke the support, it continuously failed. Now the Sun Pharma has taken out this resistance, and here we are. Here we are at 825 level. See, from 30 September 2021, this is the option chain. While you can see there were only 16.54 16 lakh 54,800 OI call OIs were built, and on 820 strike price, while the last uh, yeah the last significant put writing has been done at 800 level, which was 1 lakh 52 7 lakhs 36,400 uh, 400 OIs are built. Now if you compare it with the October 1 2021 option chain, when the price just shoot up to 825 level, still there is a call, heavy call right addition could be seen at 820 strike price level, even of 392,000 and 393 lakh 92,000, while the put also has been written at 820 level, uh, and today the put addition has been done approximately 3 lakhs 66,800. So clearly 820 level uh, emerges as a straddle point. So this is a bit bit confusing. When the price is going up and we're expecting the price to go up, why they are writing so many calls on 820? even when the Sun Pharma closed at 825 level, uh, still 3 lakh 92,000 calls has been added, has been written. Who are they? If the big players are writing, then definitely it will be within the share is going to stay in the straddle range, which is the premium. Take the premium. This a call side premium was 38 rupees, and put side premium was 31 rupees. If we just add them, it comes out the total premium becomes 39 for 70 rupees. Then definitely this month the Sun Pharma is going to stay within plus or minus 70 from the price of 820. And that means 820 plus 70. The price will either go to 890 or fall to uh, 750 level. If you could remember, our consolidation, lower range of the consolidation, last consolidation of Sun Pharma was 754 level, which was the second support we have identified. You know, from option change it becomes clear that 750 is going to be a big support, and for the target it becomes 7 8 7 9 890 890 890 means it's approximately 9% from this price level, 8 to 9% from this price level. uh, let's see how the target could be achieved. Well, let's go to the regression analysis. Here you could see that the Fibonacci projection has been done here, and the beautiful, actually chart is so beautiful. This is just a here, see, 40, the price is going up, making 45 degree angle. 45 degree angle in a chart trading um, makes a point. And see, this price is just moving up and down within the range. It never breaks that 1 sigma deviation range, but this time I think this is going to break the 1 sigma range. So let's find. Now let's check whether the target of 892 is achievable within 1 month or not. As the price has broken a long-term resistance of 800 level, next hurdle comes at 894, 98, sorry, 898 level. On projecting Fibonacci level on chart, it is clearly visible that there is no resistance before 261.8% Fibonacci level, which comes at 949. Some renowned brokers say Some renowned brokers like Motilal Oswal and Share Khan has also given the target of Sun Pharma is to be 900. So as clearly you can see that my target, uh, which is 892, is the lowest of all the possible targets. So I believe it is achievable within 1 month. Now Now there is OI of 0.43%. Sorry, OI of 0.43. It's very less, means more call has been written over. More calls has been written over the puts. In such bullish market, once the call writers are trapped, they will run for cover, and it will propel the stock prices to the upward trajectory. Now you can see the decision card that um, as RSI is positive, MACD is positive, rate of price is positive, weekly trend is also positive, volume is increased volume activity, future activity is accommodative, option position might trigger short covering. Now, as you know, this makes a bullish view, and when we are bullish and we have ascertained our support, resistance, and target, we'll try to find the possible movement paths. There are three possible paths the price may take to hit the target. First possibility is price will come down to 800 level once and shoot up with the momentum triggering short covering, which will further push price up to the target, as the call writers at 820, 830 will be trapped and run for cover. Second possibility may be price will go up slowly and stay below the target till the expiry or remain choppy. Then after expiry, price will shoot up to take out the 900 level. There could be another possibility that price will go down to 800, making one revised target of 880, taking 800 as base price. If you take 800 as base price, 800 multiplied by 1.10 becomes 8.880. 880. Uh, so I will continue buying with the initial target of 892, keeping stop loss of 5%. Even if it falls, I will continue buying till 752. See, now if you like the video, please consider subscribing. Thank you. And if you want more videos, and if you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment box, and I will definitely uh, address your concerns. Thank you.